Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first go into the settings, then into the modes, and make sure that Do Not Disturb is not enabled. Then into the notifications, and right here, app notifications, and make sure that the app you're aiming for is enabled. Then you have the notification cooldown that you also can disable. And if none of this worked, then power button and volume up button at the same time and restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.